All right, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a beautiful song here from Tate McRae. It's actually not that new. I believe it's about, or at least 1 year old, but this is a new version of it. It's the first takes version of the song called Greedy. All right, and in my opinion, I think this version is much better actually than the original. So let's take a look at Tate McRae's Greedy with this guitar version, and we have 4 chords that rolls in the same order through the entire song. We have 2 different styles of it, one a little more of the picking style, and then we're going to look into the strumming. So let's do this together. No need for any capo here since we're going to work with bar chords only. So we're going to go through the chords, and we're going to start with the C sharp sus version. That's a bar where you put the index finger on the 4th fret, and you're going to push down the 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. So that's the index finger. Then you're going to add the 6th fret on D string and 6 on G. That's the C sharp. Next is the A sharp minor. Okay, now you put your index finger and you bar 5 strings, the same 5 strings on the 1st fret, all right? Then you're gonna add on the 3rd fret D string, 3rd G, and 2nd B. That's the A sharp. Then you're gonna go down all the way here. That's exactly how they do it, and that's what we're gonna do. That's the F minor chord. So you're gonna put your index finger now on the 8th fret and push down all strings there. And then you need to add 10 on the D string, 10 on G, and 9 on B. And actually, not all strings with the index finger, you can stay still with the same 5 strings. We're gonna neglect the final or the last E string in the bass. So 5 strings is what you're gonna push down there on the F minor. Then you're gonna slide down to this position and get the D sharp chord. Okay, the same strings you're gonna push down on the 6th fret with the index finger, and then you're gonna add on the 8th fret on D string and 8 on G. So there you have the chord progression. You're gonna have the C sharp, A sharp, F minor, and the D sharp. Okay, and yeah, that's the D sharp sus version of it. So let's go into how the song starts, and that is actually with the picking pattern style. So we're gonna play chord by chord, and we're gonna start with C sharp. So what you're gonna do here is to play this part. Okay, so you're gonna play 4th fret on A string together with 6B, then 6G, and then you give it just a small clap, or you just lean your hand on top of the strings. You want this to be muted after this note, so not the full clap like this. It's not heavy on the rhythm or the beats here, but just give it a short little kick or quiet little muting there. Okay, you're gonna do that for 2 rounds. So, and it's hard to explain the timing here. You just have to listen for it and learn by doing so. It goes like this. So basically, when you played, next time you play the 4th A and 6B, you have a short little delay before you hit the final note on the 6G. So, okay, that's the rhythm. You're gonna play it for that part, so, and then you go on to the next chord. Now, the A sharp minor. Hold the chord as it is. That's what I do. And you're gonna play the same pattern, just different notes. Now it sounds like this. So that will be the 1st fret A string together with 2nd B, then 3rd G, and and the little muting there, and then you're gonna do it again. That's the A sharp minor. Now over to the F minor, and that is exactly the same pattern now, just different notes, and it sounds like this. Okay, so now you're gonna play the 8th fret on A string together with 9B, then 10G, and the clap, and then you're gonna repeat. Okay, and the final chord in D sharp, you're gonna land on the 6th fret A string together with 8B, and then 8G, and then muting, and you repeat, and it sounds, that's it. So you had the C sharp now, A sharp, F minor, and D sharp, and it goes like this. Again. That's it. All right. You can actually play this from the beginning till the very end, but yeah, if you follow the song there, the first takes version, you're gonna start to strum in the chords. So that's what we're gonna do as well. Now we're gonna use the same chords. Okay, so we have the C sharp, the sus version. So grab that one, and now one strumming pattern will be about 8 downs. Okay, you want to highlight certain downs of these 8. So you're gonna highlight the 4th down and the 7th down. You're gonna do it like this. So what you do here basically is to play on the bass strings for all the downs. You stay around that area. But on the 4th down and the 7th down, you're gonna go down to the higher strings down here. So you're gonna chew on all the other downs, but on the 4th and 7th, go down. So slowly it goes like this for one round. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? That's the rhythm, that's the strumming. So you're gonna play one of these per chord in the same chord progression round, and it goes like this. And that's the strumming version, and that's all you need to handle Tate McRae's Greedy with the first take version. And I believe, like I said, this is the best way of playing the song actually, especially if you are just like me, one man, one guitar, and that's it. So yeah, nice song, the first take, and that's also what's happening here on Gordon Guitar. We do it in one take, and I hope you enjoy that. And if you do, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.